This 2025 Airstream Classic 30 RBQ Queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 31 feet 5 inches in length and features a Café Latte, comfort white interior, sleeps 5, microwave, LP detector, stovetop burner, awning, water heater, oven, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, external shower, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Classic 30 RBQ Queen is 7,725 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.